Yo, what is good, guys? This is Hustle Williams coming back with another episode of how I reached $105,000 on eBay dropshipping within 1 month. If you guys could do me a favor, I'm just going to start this video off like this. If you could subscribe to my channel, like this video, give us a thumbs up, hit me up with any questions you have or any other videos you want to see. That'd be awesome. The YouTube channel is Hustle Williams. Right now we have 84 subscribers and we are consecutively growing, so I want to thank everybody for that. So this week I'm going to go over some of the new things that have actually been requested. Somebody asked me about how to find hot items on Zik Analytics and how I figure out which items have sold and which ones to list on my eBay. So I'm going to go over that. But first I want to show to you guys, like, here are my sales. So this was from September 10th to October 23rd. I did 103,638 over here. So I just wanted to show you guys, like, before that I don't just preach, I actually do what I'm actually showing. So all right, without further ado, let's get into it. So first off, I want to show you guys about Zik Analytics. Zik Analytics is like a great software. It's perfect to find hot items and get them listed onto your eBay page really quickly. Right now I'm working with Sale Freaks and I'm going to show you how to do that. I think Sale Freaks is one of the best programs out there. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first of all, I'm going to make a folder, and to do that, you're going to go to your management panel. You're going to go to My Folders, and we'll just call this one YouTube Demo. So create folder. Boom. You want to have that done so you can add items to it very quickly. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Amazon. I like to go to Amazon next, and I chose like a random item. So this one's going to be a desk. So I got a desk right here, and I like this desk. So I'm going to copy this like so. Copy URL. Go back to Zik Analytics, and now I'm going to do product research. And I'm going to paste this in here like so. I'm going to press search. All right, and this is going to do its thing. So next I'm going to click this icon right here. So what this is going to do is it's going to go check all the listings that have the exact same title and show me all the sellers who are selling this. All right, so let this load for a sec. All right, the next thing I like to do is I like to choose this icon. This icon bases everything on feedback. So from here we can see like the sellers that have this item with the highest amount of sales are going to show first and the greatest amount of feedback. So that's why I use the star icon. All right, next we're going to go to, I like this seller, Pretty Potato. We're going to choose him. So what I want to do next is I'm going to press scan seller. I'm going to let Zik load, do its thing. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna check out this seller. So obviously this guy is not the greatest seller in the world. He only has a 3.73 sell-through rate, which is not good, but we're not really worried about that. What we're worried about are how many items he sold in the last 30 days. So I'm gonna make my total sales minimum of 5, and then I'm gonna press filter. All right, and then we're gonna keep going. So all right, so these are all the items that he sold within the last 30 days that have had greater than 5 sales, which is what we're going for. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use this icon right here to find it on Amazon. So we're going to press that. All right, so look at this. So this is selling for $9.99 on Amazon, and he's moved it over to eBay for $11.29. It's an estimated profit of -36, so that's all right. It's not that good, not that bad. So what we want to, we're not really focused on how much negative profit it's assumed. What we want to really look for is how many items he sold. So he sold 18 items, which is why we want to use this item. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add this to our list. So we're going to scroll down, find our folder. All right, YouTube Demo. We're going to add it to list. Boom. Sorry about that if you hear noise in the background. It's just my dog getting some water, so I figure I'd give you guys a heads up. All right, so also if we go back over to here, we're going to grab this next item, and I'm going to grab 2 for right now. We just want to make sure that they line up. 1, 2. Excellent. So next we're going to add this to the list. Boom, YouTube demo, add to list. We're going to grab both those 2 items. All right, and they've both been added, okay? So the next thing we want to do is we want to go back to our management panel, go to our folders, and you want to scroll down until you get to the folder that you just created. All right, we got one right here. So this is YouTube demo. And next, you got to link up your store. So I'll go over that in a different video, but I've already linked this up. I'm connected to SaleFreak, so I'm going to grab my store and I'm going to go make sure you check all that are selected. So we're just going to do this real quick. You press this button, check all. All right, and I'm just going to make sure that I grab both of them. Boom, boom, it grabbed them all. And I'm going to press upload selected. All right, all items have been successfully sent over. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open my store on SaleFreaks. Wait for this to load. Obviously, I have the fastest computer, as you can tell. All right, so here we go. We're going to sign in. All right, here we go. We're going to go to items. We're going to go to import. All right, and as you can see, this is already going through. So if it's already gone through and it's actually in here, so this is in progress, we're going to choose one that I already did. We're going to choose this one. And these are 4 items, or 2 items I've already sent over. We can choose what store to send it to, and then all of a sudden, all you have to do is push generate, and that's it. Those items go to your store. So once again, to recap, what I like to do with Zik Analytics is I like to find items that have sold for 5 times or more. I really don't worry about if the profit is negative. I sell it at my own profit percentage that I've set, and then I list those items. And then I would go down and I'd change this to 5 for a second again, just to show you. Filter. All right, and I grab everything pretty much except for with this. This is means that there's a Vero violation that's pretty much in there, so we don't want to grab those. But anything that's sold over 5 times is what I want to grab, and they have the green icon indicating that it's from Amazon, and I'd match up those and I make sure that I can list it, and that's it. So that's how I use Zik Analytics to find hot items to sell on my store. All right, guys, so I just want to say, if you could, it'd be awesome if you guys could subscribe to my channel. Once again, we have 84 subscribers. I'm trying to do these videos once every week. I'm going to have them out every Sunday, and then they're going to get better as time goes on, and I'm trying to deliver every answer you guys ask. So if you guys have any other questions, feel free to let me know, and that's about it. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. I appreciate everybody out here giving me their time. And I'll talk to you later. Thanks again.